I'm Brian at Greenhouse Grower. We are at California Spring Trials at the beautiful Cicada facilities. I'm here with Chris Carlson. He's going to talk about some of the great new combos that they have.
Yeah, we've got Playlist. What we want to promote with Playlist is why not pick the best genetics for your consumer's combo? That will equal repeat sales, consumer success, make people happy with their plants. So you can build your own playlist. I'm going to show you my personal playlist with some of the best Cicada genetics, that industry-leading genetics like the Sun Patience in this new Alive mix. This gorgeous tower showcases electric orange, rose glow Sun Patience, and then our new Crimson Party Time that was bred just to be the right vigor to match with the Sun Patience. It'll take full sun, but what's really great about this for that consumer that doesn't know what to put it in sun or shade, Coleus and Sun Patience will also take the shade. Some other highlights is this new Fire in the Sky improved with our new Yellow Sun improved Super Cal Premium with the red maple, a great fall combo. And again, thinking about building your own playlist, industry-leading genetics like Zinnia Profusion, this recipe with the Profusion red-yellow bicolor and AAS winter and the Celosa Flama red in the center. We've got a lot of different options for a summer-fall program. We've got really every season covered. So check out Playlist and put good plants from Cicada in the garden and in combos.
Oh yeah, and Chris, I'm a Gen Xer, so I love playlists in general. I love the music theme that you have throughout. Just the idea of being able to pick out what works best for you and what works best for your garden. I love it. It's a great concept.